Today we are going to unbox and demo MaticBox, a multifunctional case for the Raspberry Pi. This video shows the white version of MaticBox, but it is also available in black. The box comes with instructions, an automation cover and screen, a low profile cover, a fan adapter and spacer to adjust the fan height, a universal mounting base, a standard base, and the case body. The Raspberry Pi easily fits into the case, and no tools are needed for installation. However, if necessary, 4 screws can further secure the Raspberry Pi. Attaching the low profile cover makes MaticBox one of the lowest profile cases on the market, and there are plenty of ventilation slots to ensure adequate airflow. A 25 by 25 mm fan, which is not included, can be attached to the case in 2 different ways. Either snap it directly into the case body and the edges will hold it in place, or plug the 4 pins on the fan adapter into the screw holes of your fan. The adapter then clicks into the case body, leaving space for heatsink on the processor. The adapter rotates 180 degrees to match the processor's location on other boards, such as Asus Tinkerboard. The fan spacer raises the height of the fan, allowing for fans as thin as 5 mm and taller heatsinks. However, if you choose to plug the fan directly into the case body, it will fit under hats and extension boards. All of these active cooling solutions still fit under the low profile cover. Our patented design allows you to stack cases on top of each other to form a cluster of Raspberry Pis. The connection is secure thanks to the special shape of the case's feet. The automation cover allows you to add an extension board with bigger components such as large relays, terminals, and large capacitors, to name a few. One of the key features of the automation cover is its large side opening, which provides access to the extension board's ports. The included automation screen cover can be used to cover empty or unused space. The notches on the screen allow you to easily break it into smaller segments to cover specific areas of the opening. Here's what the case looks like when all the side opening is uncovered. And here's how it looks when the full screen is installed. Even in this configuration, there is still excellent airflow. We are especially proud of our universal mounting base, which allows you to mount the MaticBox virtually anywhere. The mounting base has 4 screw holes for standard screw mounting on any flat surface. The mounting base will stay in place, and you can easily and securely attach or detach the MaticBox case. The universal mounting base can also be attached to a DIN rail for industrial applications. As before, you can easily attach and detach the MaticBox, while the mounting base stays attached to the rail. Here you can see MaticBox in an industrial application. If neither of these options are suitable, the universal mounting base features 8 zip tie size slots for more mounting options. Our goal with MaticBox is to make it easier for anyone to integrate single board computers into their projects. We hope you have as much fun using it as we did creating it.